ただきます。召し上がれ。
Chef Yama will show you the secret to perfectly crispy salmon skin and how to easily turn them into hand rolls. Of course, for this you'll need salmon skin. If you want to learn how to skin a salmon, check out our video linked in the description or comments.
I'm gonna put salt.
Adding salt to the fish does two things. First, it seasons the salmon, but more importantly, salt helps draw out moisture from the fish. Pulling out as much water as possible is key to achieving that perfect crispy skin.
Have to wait 20 minutes. Can see the water to be dried.
Chef Yama makes sure the salmon skin is as dry as possible by gently patting it with a thick, high-quality paper towel. Using a good quality towel is important to prevent it from sticking to the fish.
Yes, then now you can put the potato starch or corn starch. You can put the starch everywhere. Yes. 170 degrees. Yes.
Make sure your oil is hot before adding your salmon skin. Aim for a temperature of around 170 degrees Celsius. You can use a thermometer for accuracy, or if you don't have one, Chef Yama has a clever hack. Simply dip a wooden stick or chopstick into the oil. If you see bubbles forming around it, the oil is hot and ready.
You can see small bubbles from a chopstick.
Please be cautious as the salmon skin may still have moisture even after drying and can cause the oil to splatter all around upon contact.
It's almost there. Now you don't see a lot of bubbles. You see? You have to take oil out with this way.
Put it on the side so
Yeah,
it drips down.
Yeah, not like this.
Not
Maybe
on the kitchen paper directly, but on the side.
on the side. Okay, going to make sushi. Left hand have to be dry, of course. Temaki. Rice have to be already like this triangle. All right. Then little bit mayonnaise. And the shiso, Japanese herb. And salmon flake. This is also kind of leftover piece from tail and shoulder. I cooked with soy sauce and mirin, sweet sake. And salmon skin, of course. Have to be like the shape. Roll it. And salmon eggs. こちらIt's trout cod. Extra crispy on top.
Itadakimasu.